This software I chose because I was looking for a way to inform students about how technology can be fun, yes, but also that it can be a dangerous place depending on how you use it. Um, Seen many people get in trouble nowadays for some posts that they had on technology from 5, 10 years ago that they were in middle school or something that used profanity or some um, bad terminology that are now taken differently or they thought was funny back in the day, but it comes back and keeps them from getting a job or gets them in trouble with a league if they're on a sports team or anything of that sort. So it's just important to be informed on those. So the goal was basically about the same. It's just inform students, or what I was looking for, inform students about um, what technology can do if you're not careful about using it, or if you're not using it properly. Um, this common sense education will go under digital citizenship, and it's directed towards students and can also be towards family of the students and co-workers. Basically, anyone should know how technology can affect you positively, but also negatively if you're, like I said, not careful. Um, this will help on standards for educational leaders 1C and 1D, which is by modeling digital citizenship, engaging civil discourse online, using digital tools to contribute to positive social change. So, making sure that we're being proper in how we use our technology, and also 1D, which is to cultivate responsible online behavior, including the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology, which is really what this website is even created for. So you can create a free account here at Common Sense Education and go to your digital citizenship. Sorry, I had to scroll down and click here for what I wanted. And you can click on grade levels that you are, and I'm a middle school and high school, so I'll go ahead and click high school for now. And it breaks it up by grade level and gives you actual lesson plans. So it's a good one. Clicks for cash. How does internet advertising contribute to spread of disinformation? Click on it. And it gives you your vocabulary like advertisement, advertiser, clickbait, disinformation, publisher, learning objectives. It's 45 minutes, so it just takes one class period and gives what you want here, and also some other resources for your family or their family, and some quizzes over what you learned. And it's just already made up for you, and just a really good thing for students to really go over just a couple times a year.